In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel 2026. If you run your store on Shopify and your marketing and CRM in GoHighLevel, connecting the two lets your customer and order data flow seamlessly so you can trigger automations, track revenue, and personalize follow-ups without manual work. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct GoHighLevel location and that you have admin access. It also helps to be logged into your Shopify admin in another browser tab. If you manage multiple locations in GoHighLevel, quickly confirm the correct one is selected at the top of your dashboard so you connect the right account. Let's start inside GoHighLevel. Open your dashboard and go to Settings. You'll find Settings in the main left-hand menu or by clicking the small gear icon depending on your layout. This area is where all key configuration lives, including payment gateways and app connections, so it's the right place to manage integrations. If you can't see settings, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, ask the account owner to grant access. Next, inside Settings, click on Integrations. This brings up the page that lists all the platforms you can connect to GoHighLevel. You should see a tile for Shopify here. If your screen looks a little different, try widening your browser or using the search field on the page to locate Shopify. Not seeing integrations at all usually indicates a permissions issue, so double-check your user role with your admin if needed. Now, on the Shopify tile, click Connect. GoHighLevel will open a secure prompt that takes you through Shopify's standard authorization flow. Choose the correct Shopify store if you manage more than one, review the permissions requested, and confirm to approve the connection. Approving this is what allows GoHighLevel to read and sync the data it needs, like customers and orders, so your workflows and reporting can function properly. If you're logged into the wrong Shopify account, switch accounts in the prompt and continue. After approval, you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel, and you should see Shopify marked as connected, often with a green check or status badge. If the Connect button spins, or you get an error, try refreshing the page, temporarily disabling pop-up blockers, or confirming your GoHighLevel role has integration access. Minor browser issues are common and usually resolved with a quick refresh or by trying an incognito window. That's it. You went to Settings, opened Integrations, and clicked Connect on Shopify. With the connection live, you're ready to build automations, segment customers based on purchases, and attribute revenue back to your campaigns inside Go.